out here in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia. We're repairing a domestic hot water and heating system out here on East 5th Avenue. Let's check it out. Mechanical room, my favorite room in the entire building here. Couple main primary concerns here. First thing, we got this water heater, too small for the capacity of the building. Second problem, we got this piping, 1.5 inches, doesn't have enough BTU capacity to heat up the domestic water for the entire building. So this needs to be 2-inch. Engineer specified 2 of these tanks. However, the tank's 10 weeks away. We don't want to wait that long. Luckily, our friends at Equipco came up with the Doublemax 2000. It has enough capacity to equate to 2 tanks this size. It's a little bit smaller. It's got a little bit of a cross heating type thing. It's pretty cool. I'll show you a picture. We quoted this job 2 years ago. Somebody came in, they botched it. We're here to fix it up. A couple of other problems we're gonna fix up. We've got a box holding up the vents. That's a problem. We've got 1.5 inches coming out of the domestic where there's actually 2 inches serving the building. That's another problem. We're gonna clean that up. We got no thermal protection on the domestic water heating system. We're gonna add that there as well. We're gonna get rid of the black iron there, and we're gonna replace it with copper with the Viega Pro Press, and we're gonna add a 80 MagnaClean filter, commercial size. We're gonna add a Caleffi Low Loss Header for hydraulic separation. It's gonna be a beautiful thing. Check it out.